Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to link your Roku device to Google Assistant, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check compatibility and setup. Make sure your Roku TV or Roku streaming device is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. You'll also need the Google Home app installed on your smartphone and an active Google account. Step 2. Update your Roku software. From your Roku device, go to Settings, then System, and select System Update to ensure your Roku is running the latest software version. Step 3. Open the Google Home app. Launch the Google Home app on your phone and confirm you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for voice control. Step 4. Add a new device. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner, select Set Up Device, then choose Works with Google. Step 5. Link the Roku service. From the list of available services, search for Roku and select it. Sign in with your Roku account credentials and approve the connection. Step 6. Select your Roku TV or streaming device. After linking, choose the Roku TV or streaming device you want to control and assign it to a room in Google Home. Step 7. Test Google Assistant commands. Try commands like, "Hey Google, turn on the TV," or "Hey Google, open YouTube on Roku," or "Hey Google, pause the TV," to make sure everything is working properly. Your Roku device is now linked to Google Assistant and ready for hands-free voice control. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more smart home tutorials and step-by-step guides.